oh hey, you know what I learned? Because I was talking to the guy, they adjusted my throttle, not my throttle, my launch control, right? Which is still way too high, but they can't go any lower with the programming. The guy's like, well, I drag race, and that's still way too high. You're going to do wheel stands on it. And I say, yeah, that's why I don't launch at that. I just was hoping to go lower. And he's like, if you really want it, we can put this on there. And it has like an actual, like a two-step program, like not like with the Thunder Max, but a separate thing that plugs into it, you know? And then he's like, if you really want to get quick about shifting, we can put a quick shifter on it for you. Yeah, literally exactly the same fucking thing. He's like, yeah, you can still use the clutch, but with the quick shifter that they put on it would, like, when it compresses a certain part of the wire, it would like cut the ignition for a split second to like shift it. Dude, he still is. He's just fucking... Damn, man. He is like scarily fucking looking at her. He's like still staring at her, dog. Like, he's not even beating the street. He's just like... You know, like, it's like when you're like, oh, don't like make it obvious. Look at that guy over there. They fucking like turn their whole body. It's like, dude, you're fucking obviously staring at that woman. Oh my god. Everybody has a Nardo gray. Is this not the right fucking Artiflex? I didn't even fucking like register that at first. Oh, you fuck. Oh, dude, Subaru Supra with a fucking parachute. A fucking boosted Supra went out with a fucking parachute on the back. Which way did you ago, I took the next block down. Oh, hi. Is there like, are they all literally like within a fucking couple blocks of each other or something? Is that what this is? I'm glad I'm making a video out of this. This is so confusing, dude. What the fuck? You should see Turbo Super here in a second. I've seen that car before. It fucks. It's got a lot of money into it. Like it's running on Hoosiers right now. Kind of money into it. That pipe wrench that's rusted as fuck. Super before. It's like a Mark 1 or a Mark 2. It's the older one, like the Fast and Furious one, but he's got slicks on the back and a fucking parachute on the back, like an actual drag racing parachute on the back. SpongeBob episode. Oh, good. Oh, is that the guy we met like fucking 2 months ago before he got yelled at by a cop? So this is an all-way. Where the fuck is the other stop sign? I didn't even see the damn thing. Sure, they're probably closed today. Park next to that bike, fuck it. I'm gonna make sure not to block him in though. Block him in? No. gonna hold off on talking shit until we're out of earshot. Nice. Are we gonna huh? I'm hanging a left right here. Or I guess this is a right. But yeah. Are we hooking a left out of here or a right? Fuck it. Word. Alright. Let's just go left. We can go under that bridge or something. That sounds interesting to me. Follow you. There is a trailblazer coming in though. No, we got this. Oh yeah, I'm sure. There's 2 cars and then probably like a handful if you get pedestrians walking. Taking a right. Oh, as it gets clear going left. Yeah, let's curve back around, fuck it. Hell yeah. I wonder if I going straight? Okay, that's fine. What? Oh, for sure. Oh, you're good. Oh, I said you're good. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I was gonna try and smack your windshield, but you're too far away. I'm gonna shout this guy out. He's gonna have no fucking idea who the hell I am.